In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a survey in Constant Contact. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting research, or just looking to engage with your audience, creating a survey is a great tool. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. Constant Contact is a versatile platform primarily known for email marketing, but it also offers robust tools for creating surveys that can really help you engage with your audience. Once you're on the Constant Contact homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one before proceeding. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where you can access all the features offered by Constant Contact. Next, you'll want to navigate to the campaign section. You can find this option in the main menu. Clicking on campaigns will take you to a page displaying all your current and past marketing efforts. This is the hub where you can manage everything related to your campaigns, making it easy to keep track of all your marketing activities in one place. Now, look for the option to create a campaign. It's usually prominently displayed, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating it. Click on it and you'll be presented with a variety of campaign types to choose from. Constant Contact offers several options here, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on surveys. When you're on the campaign creation page, look for survey pages. Click on this option to start building your survey. Surveys are a fantastic way to gather insights from your audience, and Constant Contact makes it easy to design one that fits your needs. Once you've selected survey pages, you'll enter the customization phase. This is where you can really tailor the survey to fit your specific goals and audience. You can add questions, choose from different question types, and format them to make sure they are clear and engaging. Consider what information you want to gather and choose your questions accordingly. You can include the multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, and more, depending on the depth of feedback you're looking for. As you customize your survey, pay attention to the layout and design. A well-designed survey not only looks professional, but also encourages more people to complete it. Constant Contact offers various design tools that allow you to adjust colors, fonts, and images to align with your brand. Before finalizing your survey, it's a good idea to preview it. This allows you to see how it will appear to your respondents and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can save your survey and prepare it for distribution. And there you have it. You've successfully created a survey in Constant Contact. Remember, surveys are powerful tools for collecting valuable feedback and insights from your audience. They can help you improve your products, services, and overall customer experience. So take advantage of the customization options available in Constant Contact to create surveys that are not only effective but also engaging for your respondents. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy surveying!